Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products.
Hello, my name is Kagiso Seapose. I live in Alexandra. I'm born and raised in Alexandra. My business deals with branding and advertisement tools. What we do, we help other businesses to grow by designing such things as banners, business cards, and websites, and also some of the graphic design work. My pitching experience was very great. The fact that I've learned more about the pitching, and I've done a lot of connection during the tea event. And what was the most important thing about the tea event is the fact that I didn't only learn that you should go and look for funding, but also connecting and having to have sales is the most important thing that will help your business to grow. You can get a hold of me via my cell phone number, which is 076-858-7379, and my Facebook page is my Facebook handle is Spirit Graphic Design or SG Design 123. Hello, my name is Kagiso Seapose. I'm a township entrepreneur.